SOA XMP practice question 84. The weight of packages in the warehouse is modeled by uniform distribution on the interval 0 to 10,000 grams. Supervisor A records a number X, the weight divided by 1,000. Supervisor B records the number as Y, which is X rounded to the nearest integer from 0 to 10. Calculate the absolute value of the difference between the fourth moment of X and the fourth moment of Y. Let's take a look at the solution. The random variable X is the weight divided by 1,000. The weight is uniformly distributed over the interval 0 to 10,000 grams. That is, X ranges from 0 to 10. X follows a uniform distribution between 0 and 10. The corresponding PDF is 1 over 10. And then for the random variable Y, which is X rounded to the nearest integer from 0 to 10, Y is a discrete random variable. If X is 0 to a value less than 0.5, it is rounded to the nearest integer, therefore Y equals 0. The probability that Y equals 0 is 0.05. You can think of X is between 0 and 10, and then the probability that X is between 0 and 0.5. So we get this probability. And then if X is at least 0.5 but less than 1.5, the value of Y round to the nearest integer, Y is 1. The corresponding probability is 0.1. And similarly, X is at least 1.5 but less than 2.5, Y equals 2, the probability is 0.1. We go all the way to the last category. X is at least 9.5, Y is rounded, equals 10. The probability is 0.05. We get the PMF of Y, and we have the PDF of X. We can get the fourth moment of X and Y respectively. The fourth moment of X, by definition, the expected value of X to the power 4, this is the integral, X to the power 4 times the PDF of X, which is 1 over 10, where X is from 0 to 10. Doing the integration, we get 2,000. And then the fourth moment of Y, which is 0 raised to the power 4 times the corresponding probability 0.05, and then plus 1 to the power 4 times the corresponding probability 0.1, all the way down to Y equals 10. 10 to the power 4 times the probability 0.05. The fourth moment of Y equals 2033.3. We need to get the absolute value of the difference. And this is 33.3.